be making a quick and easy ruffle deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring. You can use a larger wreath ring if you choose. 6-inch deco mesh. And some ribbon options. Alright, let's get started. There are several ways you can make a ruffle deco mesh wreath. Sometimes I double layer my mesh. And sometimes I stick with solid color all the way around, and sometimes I like to mix it up. For this specific wreath, I'm going to have a different color in each of my 6 sections. So I'm going to have orange, white, pink, orange, white, pink. Just because I think it'll be fun and it'll be something different. You can even go with orange, orange, white, white, pink, pink. Or you can alternate orange, white, orange, white, orange, white. If you want to go with like a football themed or anything like that. I will link videos in the description box down below showing you all the different ways I have made a ruffle wreath, so you can choose which method works best for you. Alright, so today I'm just going to start with a single roll of my orange, and I'm going to start on the inner ring. I'm going to tie my mesh in a knot. And I'm going to start on the inner space. Make a loop in the middle and on the outer. I'm trying to keep them as uniform as possible. If they're not the exact same, that's okay as well. Okay, once you have your 3 loops, scrunch and twist your mesh a couple of times and make 3 more loops. Okay, you have another option here. I usually just go with 2 rows of mesh, but I also have my mesh double layered. This time, since I have single layer mesh, I think I'm going to scrunch and add in 1 more row. But you can do either way. So scrunch and add in 1 more. Right, just like that. Now I'm going to twist it and then cut it. Then I'm just going to kind of twist it again and come to the inner ring and tie it around. Just to make sure it's nice and secure. So now I'm going to switch to another color. If I were making a wreath with all of the same color, then I wouldn't cut it off here. I would just continue on to the next section using all of my orange until it was completely gone, and then starting with the new row. So I only cut it after this first section because I'm going to switch colors. So the next section I'm going to go with white. Same steps. I'm going to start on the inner ring and tie it in a knot. And I'm doing the same with the pink. And I'm just going to repeat these steps all the way around my wreath. So we are halfway done. It looks so cute. Again, you can go with solid colors. You can alternate 2 colors. You can go with 6 different colors. Whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and go based off of the theme you decide. Alright, so back to the orange. Have it completed. Alright, so it looks so cute and poofy. If I double layered my mesh, then this is the point where I would separate the two layers. Again, I have videos in the description box down below if you're interested in that method. But since it's single layered, I just want to kind of fluff it up and make sure everything looks good. It's so cute and precious. You can leave it like this. It looks so adorable already. You can add in any additional embellishments. You can add in like popsicles or styrofoam shapes or stars or an adorable sign to the center, some ribbon, a cute bow to the top or bottom, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. I have this adorable ribbon that I'm just going to add in because it's so cute and precious. But again, you can choose not to do so. I think I'm just going to make like a quick and easy little bow just to add a little extra touch. If you want a more detailed video on how to make a cute and poofy loopy bow for a wreath, then definitely check out the description box down below. Make a quick little bow with my orange, and then I'm going to do the same thing with my pink. Sometimes I make them together, but this time I'm stacking one on top of the other to scrunch it, and I'm just going to fold it in half and place it in the center to hold my two bows together. Again, I'm not measuring or anything like that. This is just a quick and easy bow. I'm going to tie this in a knot. Then I can kind of adjust it and maneuver it. Okay, and I'm going to use the excess ribbon that I have at the back and attach it to my wreath. I could even attach a Chanel stem to the back of my bow so that I can attach it to the wreath ring as well. Many options, or you could even just use hot glue. Now we just have to decide where we want the bow to go. I think I'm going to place it on the white. That way it shows both the pink and orange colors. Kind of adjusting it. And I'm just going to ribbon cut the end. You could leave them squared off. You can ribbon cut. And if you want your ribbon to kind of hang a certain way, you could even add a little dot of hot glue and attach it to the specific mesh so that it doesn't move. But so cute, simple, and easy to make. I've added some pretty large bows to my wreaths before, so it just depends on what you're going for.